Welcome to another video from Let's Drink Tea. Today we're going to learn how to brew white hair silver needle tea. This is a high quality white tea from China. It's actually the highest quality white tea you can get. It's a great tea with a mild taste and it's actually fairly easy to brew. The one I have here I bought on Amazon, and while it's a great tea, it's not amazing. You can kind of tell. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's got the leaves, they're kind of cut. They're not full size. It looks like they've almost been cut in half. And that's always a good indicator that the tea isn't as nice as you'd like. It still tastes really good, and it's not a problem. It's just not the absolute highest quality you could find. And for this tea, you basically want to use 1 teaspoon of leaves, kind of like this, per cup. This teapot makes like 2 to 2.5 cups. So I'm going to use kind of 2 largish teaspoons like this, and that'll be good. And for water, you want to use water that's cooler than boiling. So probably about 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and for Celsius, that's 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Probably could use a little more water, but yeah, I have it measured for a different teapot that I often use. So yeah, it's about, like I said, that ends up being about 2 cups. All right, then we'll go ahead and steep that. For this tea, you usually want to steep it 2 to 3 minutes. That's what it says on the package. I almost never go by what it says on the package. That's why I buy a glass teapot like this one. I can see what it looks like, and once it kind of has the color I want, then I'll stop it. And if you're not sure, go ahead and go by the package, and then if you think it's too strong, then the next time you do it, just reduce the steeping time. That's basically how you learn. So I kind of always do it by feel. We'll let it go for a bit here. You can see the color is already, for a white tea, this is already quite nice. But I can see that if I look inside, the leaves haven't quite unfurled yet, so I'll give them a little bit of time to do that, and then I'll take it out. And with this tea, I've made it a few times already. I was getting a lot of infusions, actually. I think it was 4 to 6 even. In each one, you increase the steeping time a little more, and then on the final one, I usually just leave it in. I use boiling water on the final one and leave it in for, 10-15 minutes just to get everything out of the leaves. You don't have to do that, but I always kind of do that, at least if I want another cup. If I don't, I just throw them away. All right, I think we'll go ahead and take it out. It looks good to me. Kind of the color I like. Yeah, let's do that. And the reason I love this this glass teapot with the infuser here is that you can still use the lid when the infuser isn't in there. I love that. Most of them you can't do that. Once the infuser's out, the lid won't fit anymore, and you can't close it, keep the tea warm. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.